182 minus 39. 2 is less than 9, we get 1 from next digit, and 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 1 is equal to 1. 169 minus 94. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 6 is less than 9. We get 1 from next digit, 16. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. 0 is equal to 0. 105 minus 53. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 0 is less than 5. We get 1 from next digit. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, and 0 is equal to 0. 305 minus 33. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 0 is less than 3. We get 1 from next digit, and 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 2 is equal to 2. 812 minus 35. 2 is less than 5. We get 1 from next digit, and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 0 is less than 3. We get 1 from next digit, and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, and 7 is equal to 7. (666 minus 68). 6 is less than 8. We get 1 from next digit, and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. And 5 is less than 6. We get 1 digit. 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9, and 5 is equal to 5. 915 minus 26. 5 is less than 6. We get 1 from next digit. 5 becomes 15. And 0 is less than 2. We get 1 from next digit, and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, and 8 is equal to 8. (405 minus 80). 5 minus 0 is equal to 5, and 0 is less than 8. We get 1 from next digit, and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is equal to 8, and 3 is equal to 3. 148 minus 51. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7, and 4 is less than 5. We get 1 from next digit, and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. 0 is equal to 0. 477 minus 51. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, and 4 is equal to 4.